Hello, and welcome to this brief tutorial on how to update your Grows profile. We encourage you to update your Grows profile so that you do not miss leads, and also so that as we partner with each other, we can all easily see what each other do. The first step is to go to the Grows website, which is growsmc.org. Once you're on the website, you want to go to the member login. Here you're going to put in your member login. If you need to retrieve your username or reset your password, you want to click right here. Otherwise, put in your login information. And if you need help, reach out to us. Once you're logged in, you'll see a welcome banner with a couple options here. The first step is to go to My Profile. Once you're in My Profile, and now you're going to see your profile. To update your organization, you're going to go to My Organization. This is where you can update the picture, and you would click the little pencil to update your picture. A couple other options are down here, and you want to make sure that you have a full bio. That bio will help other Grows members to see exactly what you're doing. It will also help, and I'll show you that in a little bit, but to edit all this, you would click on Edit Profile, and now I can edit all this, and then I want to save it when I'm done. So once you've done all that, when you go here to the membership directory, that's where you can see everybody's profile. If you search without putting anything in there, it'll pull up all the members. And as you can see, some have a one-word bio, whereas others might have a full description. And we encourage you to fill up your description. If you need any help, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.